How to save contact info in Excel with ManyChat. So first, go to your account and then just click on contacts here at the left side, and then from there you just need to select one of your contacts and then click on the three dots and then click on download contact data. Next is just click on OK, then click on download contact data again, and then you will see something like this. So what you can do next is just open a new tab and then search for JSON to Excel, and then open up this one, and then you will see something like this. So what you need to do here is just click on browse here, and then upload your file that you downloaded earlier, and then from there you just need to scroll down and then click on convert. Okay, make sure this is XLSX. Okay, next is just click on download now and you're done. So if you want to view it, just click on view now and you will see it would look like this. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.